Understanding, Don't Pressure Me, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a common phrase you might encounter in everyday English conversations. Don't pressure me. This phrase is rich in emotional and social nuances, and understanding it can greatly enhance your communication skills. So, let's get started and explore what it means, when to use it, and how to respond if someone says it to you. When someone says, "Don't pressure me," they're expressing a feeling of discomfort or stress caused by feeling rushed or coerced into making a decision or taking action. It's a request for space and time to think and act at their own pace. This phrase is often used in situations where the speaker feels overwhelmed by the expectations or demands of others. In personal relationships, saying, "Don't pressure me," can be a way to set boundaries and ask for respect for your decision-making process. It's important to use this phrase carefully, as it can convey frustration or a need for independence. In professional settings, in the workplace or in professional settings, this phrase should be used judiciously. It can be a way to ask for clarity on deadlines or to negotiate more reasonable timelines for projects. In such cases, it's often better to follow up with a proposal for an alternative plan or timeline. In social interactions, during social interactions, if you feel pushed into doing something you're uncomfortable with, saying, "Don't pressure me," is a way to assert your feelings and seek understanding from others. If someone tells you, "Don't pressure me," it's crucial to respect their feelings and needs. Here are a few respectful responses. "I understand. Take the time you need, and let me know how I can support you. I apologize if I made you feel rushed. I'll make sure to give you more space. Let's discuss this when you feel ready. Your comfort is important to me." These responses show empathy and willingness to accommodate the other person's pace, which is essential for healthy communication. Understanding and using the phrase, "Don't pressure me," can significantly improve your ability to navigate English-speaking environments with confidence and sensitivity. Remember, effective communication is not just about the words you use but also about respecting the feelings and boundaries of others. We hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.